Hello, I'm going to give you a little demo here of using workspaces, which are a bit different. And when I was at BET and talked to schools, they talked about this. So you click on My Groups, and you get these group things. Okay, so if you imagine these a bit like Facebook groups, I'll explain to you how this will work in more detail. So I'm just going to show you how to create a new one. You can see you've got these little links here, and this is going to be to create a new workspace. And I just typed in Frog Champions in here. I put a little description, added an icon, left it on enroll only, and clicked on OK. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Anyway, so you'll see that that appears here. So that's what you get by default. I didn't change anything. So let's go and have a look at what we get. So it basically creates a tabbed folder which is connected to a particular group of people that you've defined by going and defining your member list. To define your member list, you click on admin at the top here, and you've got invite enroll. So I'm going to go and search for Brooks and then enroll him like so. Obviously you could go and do that for your groups, but groups are becoming a bit of a nightmare. Please note there are 6, 7, 8 displayed there, and there are 101 pages, which means that you'd have to, for example, put your subject grade in, and I've still got 4 pages of IT groups because I've got all the other year groups. Anyway, blah blah blah. So that's how you enroll people. I go back. What I want to do now is go and edit this and put some more tabs on. I can add tabs here, which is a nice, quick, easy way to do it. So what we're going to do is maybe do a chat, press enter, and then I'm going to do forums, press enter. I'm going to do YouTube embed. Have I put FoodTube there? No, it must be YouTube, and that's just displaying it up. Okay, so let's just stick with those 3 things. I've only got so long. But you can't go and configure what's in the content here, so you have to edit page. This kicks us into the frog bricks. Here it is. Ignore all this stuff at the top. That one's taken care, and that one's taken care of for us, so we're going to go onto the chat. So all I do is go onto the collaboration bricks, click on chat, and bring it down into here for a second. See how this hand, this cursor is still a hand? That's not a good sign, and it's because it's inactive. And I'm not quite sure what's going on here, but it's just registering that chat box inside this space on the page, I think on the servers or something like that. It takes about 20 seconds. I'm going to leave it for this one so you can see how long it takes for when you're using it. This might be much quicker in school. It might be quicker using Internet Explorer on your laptops at home. I don't know if it's because I'm using Firefox in a Mac or whatever it is. It seems a little bit odd. I'm going to double click, there you go. So that, you see what that just changed, and as soon as it's back to being an arrow by itself, it is responsive. So I can double click this to do the chat, although Firefox says it doesn't want to. I've never had that before. Allow pop-ups, thanks man. So I'll double click that, here's me pop-ups, essential to Frog, so I can go and change my size to 600, and I can add a user as somebody who's going to look after this chat while it's on. Again, you can see it taking time, it seems, to access the actual data. Blah blah blah. So I go and search for somebody in there. Well, you can't search in this one, it's just a scroll list. And I put someone in there, but I don't want to do that right now. So that's chat done. Forums. Again, collaboration, go onto the forum block, drag it into the working space. Again, you have this 20 seconds. I'm going to pause the video. So again, that took about 20 seconds to do. Double click the forum and you can go and define what it is. Off you go. Go and configure it basically, so you can look at the ones to display. I'm going to put staff forwards. If you don't like it, you can take it backwards and change it to something else. So put students on, you go and look and feel, and this is just going to do some standard colory changes, which is no big deal. It's always good to muck about and see exactly what they do and get a feel for how they work. There's buttons and tools and other things. So you can see that's in there. YouTube video, that's in media. You can drag in the HTML box. Now we're not sure what the permissions are on this at the moment. I'm going to pause again. And there it is. Double click that. Now in this embed code, if you don't understand it, don't worry, you just have to know how to use it. I've got some iframe, for this is just embed code of a YouTube video. Click on OK, and that embeds nicely in that. I've only got 20 seconds left, so I'm going to publish and exit, like so. And then you can see how this works. So you come in, and it's on the wall postings, so you can type whatever in there, and it will go into everyone's feed. And you've got members, chat, forums, YouTube. Job done. Nice and easy.